All right, well, this may be one of the reasons why I had postponed my trip to Barcelona for so long. Something that's super important to me when I visit a city on the coast is the beach. And I have to be honest, I just never thought from the pictures and my research that the beach actually here in Barcelona was all that spectacular. And forgive me for being slightly Debbie Downer this morning, but it's kind of living up to my expectations. I don't think it's quite like some of the other places that I've experienced. I think I'm a sucker for an organized beach, and I think that's a little bit more of a challenge to find. So that's why I came down to the W Barcelona this morning, which, by the way, look at that. It's awesome. It is so beautiful. It's almost like something you think you'd see in Dubai. It's gorgeous. The water's beautiful, the beach is beautiful, but it is public. There's a ton of people here. This whole stretch is called the Barceloneta. So this is where everybody comes to go for the beach. But I am on a quest, a mission to find that super close beach club experience that I like. And it may not be looking very good right now, but we are on the hunt. What do you think, Daniel?
Looks pretty nice to me.
He's not necessarily used to that Eurotrotter luxury lifestyle. Or maybe he is, I don't know, we shall see. I might be a beach snob. Or just a snob. One or the other or both. All right. Cafe Del Mar. All right, this looks a little bit more organized. Yay, beach club, and it's actually on the beach. All right, this is interesting. Okay, so we are leaving the Barceloneta and we are actually heading to Hotel Arts, which is the Ritz Carlton, essentially. And they have a awesome pool facility there and restaurant for lunch. So we're gonna spend the day at the pool. We might come back and check out the beach for a dip because you gotta say you swam in Barcelona in the Barceloneta. Barceloneta here in Barcelona is the main beach. It's a city beach, it's a public beach, and basically everybody comes here, and I won't show this on film, but I think they decide to or not to bring their bathing suit. So it is definitely clothing optional, and my body's not quite in shape yet for me to share that all with you. However, I'm a beach club guy. I love beach clubs, and one of the things I like to do when I travel is find a really cool beach club. There are several reasons why I like beach clubs. The first is because it's an experience. You get the pampering, you get served your drinks and your lunch. You have great amenities like sunbeds and towels and even changing areas. And I like the whole posh aspect of a beach club. From a public beach perspective, it is what it is here, so we'll definitely check that out today. However, you know me, I like my little luxury, so we are skipping the public beach and the public announcement that you're hearing right now, and we're heading to the Ritz Carlton, which was one of the premier hotels here in Barcelona on the beach, or darn close to it. And what they actually have is a pool pass that you can use Monday through Friday. It's 100 euros per person. I know, super expensive, but you know, sometimes you gotta splurge. So I guess it's pretty great that I didn't buy anything big here. So we are gonna go splurge, spend the day at the pool at the Ritz. You get a 20 euro credit per person, towels, changing room, etc. We're gonna check this place out and have us a little pampering in Barcelona. I mean, everyone's nude. Holy wow. And I feel bad wearing my Speedo. I guess I should feel like I'm fully dressed. Well, the beach is definitely beautiful. All right, so I have walked up and down the Barceloneta. I have been trying my hardest to fight the system, but the system has won. There just are no private beach clubs or areas on the Barceloneta, on any of the beach stretch of Barcelona. So when in Rome, you do as the Romans do, but I'm taking a hot minute. I'm here at Playa Salanuri, and it's a really cool, if you will, beach bar that's on the beach, and it's blue and white, staff is friendly, and it has a great view of the beach and the water. I'm having some cocktails, you can get some drinks to go and then sit on the beach, but this is not an organized beach. There is nothing organized about the beach here in Barcelona. So you can rent sunbeds, they do have that. You'll find a guy sitting in an umbrella in front of each of the umbrella sections of the beach. You can either bring your towel and lay out for free, or you can find one of these umbrella areas and camp out there. That's what we're gonna do after we sit down and power up and have a drink here. And then we're gonna get a drink to go and sit on the beach and do as the Barcelonians do, and that is hit the public beach. All right, so I'm at Estrella and I'm about to hit the beach, but before you do, if you're like me and you want to drink, you need to stop here at the cafe, at the bar, at the restaurant, and actually get your takeaway cocktail. And they have it here, they're super friendly, they look like they have fantastic food, so we're definitely gonna stop here for a bite to eat in a bit. But until then, I'm taking my drink and we're going to the playa. All right, minor correction. The name is actually Marsal, not Estrella. I think Estrella is the name of a beer. Either way, the umbrellas say Estrella Damm, and the place bats at the tavern say Marsal, and they look really cool. Then you come to the beach with your drinky poo, and you pray that you can get a sunbed. Well,
30 euros per
total?
Yeah.
Okay, great. 30 euros total, so 15 and 15. Not bad, but bad since it doesn't come with full service.
You ready for the beach?
Yes. So am I. Need some sun. Oh, somebody is selling cocktails there.
You.
All right, so we made it to the beach. We are just opposite of Marsal, which is a really cool, what looks like cafe on the beach restaurant. And let me think what else I'm drinking at Aperol Spritz. I'm trying to get into my whole public beach day. I think this is gonna help a little bit. And Daniel just changed.
Hi.
And we're gonna spend the day at the beach. It's been quite an experience so far. I was trying to change Barceloneta, but Barceloneta won. And very cool experience. It's 15 euros for a sunbed. The drink was great. I want to say you can get drinks here anywhere from 6 to 9 euros, so not bad at all. And it looks like there may even be some people that run around and actually serve drinks, so that's great too. You can also get massages on the beach. So if you're looking for just that very low-key, calm beach day in Barcelona, anywhere you go is going to be great. And I think that's about it. So not doing the private beach club today, but we'll be splashing around in the water pretty soon.